Good morning, Patrick. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you
And
very
I'm
much.
very happy to see that you are all the first cohort of our BSW students. And I really wish you all good luck with your first placement. And in HCA, which is IHNA and IHM, we are always proud of our students and our employers or industry. We have very good relationships so far, and our students are well looked after in the industry, because wherever they go, they bring our values, caring with passion. That is what we want to make a difference to the society, and this value will definitely make a difference to many people in the future when you become a social worker. But anyway, I want to know, what is your background, Patrick?
So to start
What
with,
you studied before, or where you come from, which country?
Yeah. So to start with, I come from Kenya. Kenya, we also have social work department as part of the curriculum in the education system.
Okay.
But my background back home is I did business management.
Okay.
And once I came to Australia, I initially did Certificate 3 in aged care.
Okay.
And I went through the course and did placement as well for that Certificate 3. And shortly I got a job, and after working in the industry for a while, I developed passion even to advance on that, and went ahead and did Certificate 4 in disability, did placement for that as well. And while doing that, I found interest and passion supporting people who have challenged, the aged, or people living with disability. And a friend suggested to me IHM to advance my course, because I wanted to further my studies, and that is why I chose IHM to do a bachelor course in social work.
Okay, I think you have done right thing, because you already went through the disability support area, which is very much connected to social work in reality. So actually it's a pathway, it's upskilling from where you learn to next level. So I really appreciate your decision to go further into social work area, and I think the pathway is great. There is a lot of job opportunity in Australia and globally into this field. So, and it's a very societal requirement today. So many problems happening in the society, which I think social workers play a major roles. So I think that's great you joined IHM. So IHM is new in this area, into social work. We are mainly into nursing. So how do you trust that IHM could be the place I could study?
So the person who recommended me actually was doing the short course in nursing, and at that time I think they just introduced a Bachelor of Social Work.
Okay.
And I believe we are the first cohort to do a Bachelor of Social Work. And after he did his short course in nursing, he was able to succeed, and even got a job working in mental health at the moment. So with that background and with that recommendation, I was able to trust IHM just because of word of mouth and his success at the moment.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So how do you think that, are you excited for the placement to start?
I look forward to.
Okay.
I believe my current role, I work in disability at the moment, has laid a great foundation for me. I've been able, even working there, I've been able to interact with clients, with their families, with their support team. So that alone has given me background or a platform to start my placement. And I think it will also give me an opportunity now that after 2.5 years in classroom work, where we learn a lot of things on the theoretical part, I look forward to doing it now practically in the field. So I don't feel nervous at all, but I feel like I look forward to it, though I know this is in an advanced stage now, experiencing or meeting clients face to face, in supporting clients at that higher level as compared to disability level.
Yeah. I think I look forward to hearing from you, your experience in the field when you go, and we'll have a regular conversation when you come back, with the group of students come back.
Absolutely.
In the first cohort.
Yeah.
And I look forward to hearing from you all and see how can we learn from there to improve our processes here.
Absolutely.
If anything, to prepare the next time for betterment.
That's right.
So we are always looking for identifying our gaps. And as an institution, there is nothing like a perfect situation. It's always evolving or dynamic situation. The world is changing, we are changing, we have to improve always. So I definitely believe that the understanding the students can bring to us to prepare at least for the next cohort better will be always taken positively.
That's right.
So thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Patrick.
Okay.
Thank you.
Looking forward to
Thank you.
bringing your feedback and see what happens in the field.
Yes,
All right.
thank you.
Thank you.